Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your Marcus password, here's the safe way to reset it. First of all, open the Marcus app and then tap the Forgot Password or Reset Password option. Then you're going to go ahead and enter the registered email address. After that, go ahead and check your email address for the verification code. If you don't see the code in your promotions folder, try checking your socials, primary, or your spam and trash. Sometimes they glitch and end up over there. Next, you're going to go ahead and create a new strong password. Make sure the password is unique and is strong enough so people do not have access to your data. Use underscore, lowercase, and numbers if it is possible, and that's it. Use a unique password and avoid using it on other apps for maximum security, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.